how to add debit card in Lazada. But before that, if you don't know what is Lazada, it is a leading e-commerce platform in Southeast Asia, operating in countries such as Indonesia, Malaysia, and the Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam, in which Lazada has grown rapidly by offering a wide range of products including electronics, fashions, home goods, and groceries. And now to start adding a debit card in here, all you need to do is simply open the Lazada application on your mobile phone and simply sign in your account, and after that just simply click the account option below here. By clicking this one, just simply scroll down until you find this My Lazada wallet. So just click the payment option to proceed. By doing so, you will be directed in here. You can click credit or debit card to add here. Then you should be able to be directed on the page or show you a pop-up window that you can enter the card details including the card number, expiration date, CVV, and the name of the card in order to start successfully adding your debit card in here. And once done, you should be able to see here that you have now successfully add the payment options of your debit card. And you can use this for shopping or checking out some of the items that you want to buy on this Lazada platform or application. But overall, that is just basically how you can add a debit card in Lazada.